just went to the bank, deposited a check, but I couldn't deposit it because freaking people wrote my name wrong on the freaking check. I don't know how you do that shit, but now I have to go back to my work and tell them they spelled my name wrong, which is the most simple name in the world. But I don't know. Whatever. I had to dry. I don't know if you can see the reflection of the Z in the mirror or the window right there, but it looks greasy. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the reflection, but I don't know. That took all the willpower for me to even put this GoPro on my head. I don't even want to do this stuff. It's a waste of time in my head. Not a waste of time, but I don't know, wasted energy. I shouldn't say that. It's not worth it. I don't know. I shouldn't even say that either. It's this thing's leaking. I don't know if you can see that. The seals are leaking on my lap. But I have to do my shenanigans, so I was just recording the drive because who knows, maybe somebody would care to see this stuff, or they're entertained by it. They're entertained by me or the car. I don't know. But who knows? Look, that geese is standing on one leg right now. Oh my god. Not that goose, not geese. I think I had one goose. I think I went to a restaurant with my family, and then I think we were walking back to the car, and I seen a goose just on the walkway. And the goose was standing on one leg. I thought the leg was gone. I thought it like lost his leg, but apparently it didn't. I was staring at the thing, and the goose hissed at me like a snake. I was like, what the heck? I didn't know they could hiss. I don't know, but I don't try to bother them because I know they attack people. Right now I'm in the area where nobody could drive, so it's all people that bought their license, I swear. at that fitment. Oh my god. Oh shit. I think it's super speeds. I thought about getting those. Yeah. Looks nice. Bring up the whip. See the thing, $83. Usually I'm spending over $100 to fill up this car because I put 91 because that's what's recommended, and then it's usually like one, I don't know, but I spend over $100 usually, which is wonkers, but you know, so whatever. Man. It's my car or these the turn radius sucks. I don't even care for copyright because it doesn't matter. I'm making money off this shit, so. Fencing? I never knew that. I don't know, that's a nerdy sport. I don't know, I'm judging. Put a stupid speed camera in here. So cancer because it's not even like, I don't know, it's not even like a dangerous spot. They just put one here because I guess there's a school here, but I don't know. So stupid. It's all for money. See the fire department. Bro, half the time I see these, look, these fuckers are going still. Bro, half the time I see these people, they don't even stop, they just keep driving. Look at these fuckers. Side of this motherfucker's car. It's like someone tried to break in. You see that shit? Look at that shit. Oh my god. Oh, I know those Tundras are. Look at this fucker now. Oh my god. Nah, I can't, man. These people. Oh my god, man. Oh fuck. Every time I see one of those things, I just drool over that shit. It's not the next car I want, but